Hello guys, welcome to Tech Arts. So in today's video we are going to crack Adobe Photoshop CC. As you can see, I tried to run my Adobe Photoshop but my license has expired and it's telling me that your trial has expired. You can continue to use Adobe Photoshop CC 2017 by purchasing this software. So I have 0 days remaining. I've already used the free trial days, and today we are going to increase these trial days so that you can continue using the Adobe Photoshop CC for free. So what you do, first of all, you locate where you have the files that contain the Adobe Photoshop. For example, my files are in local drive C. Go to program files. After that, open your Adobe Photoshop folder. You can see you are going to use Photoshop CC 2017. Open it. The first file is the first folder is AMT. Open that folder. Scroll down until you see the application XML file. The application XML file, this one. So what you do, you cut. After you cut, you paste it on the desktop. So yes, you say continue, because the reason why we are pasting is because that we cannot be able to edit it when it is in the local drive C, but when we paste it on the desktop, it will be we'll be able to edit that file. So double click and open that file. So choose the app that you want to use. I will use Notepad. Okay, yes, so this is the file, as you can see here. So what we need to do is to allocate. Let me show you what we are going to allocate. Yes, here, this one. Locate data key trial series serial number. So this one, data key trial serial number, this is the one that you want to edit. So what you do, you just come here at the last numbers, you delete, and you add maybe any number, maybe 2 numbers, maybe 65, like that. Then Control S for saving. After that, close your application, close the Notepad. Right click on that file, cut the file. Open now open the 8AMT folder. Okay, then now you paste that file where it was, like that. Yes, so like that. So close this one. It's not, I don't know why it's not closing, but now you can restart your Adobe Photoshop and you wait and see if your days will be added. So let us see. Yes, we are sure we want to quit, and again let us open our Adobe. As you can see, when we opened our Adobe Photoshop, the trial window did not pop up. Now we have this one. We'll be told to sign in or sign in later, so we just click sign in later, and you can see now our days have been added. We had 0 days, now we have been added another 7 days. So this is what you do, and now you can start your free trial. So this is what you can be doing whenever you want to use the Photoshop. So you just edit that file the way I've shown you, and you will start your Photoshop like that, and you will continue using it. As long as if it expires, do the same thing, and you are good to go. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can be getting life so that you can be getting some hacks each and every time I post a video. Thank you.